Working harder on your product is not what's missing. Adding more features is usually the fastest way to slow everything down. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see 3 quiet mistakes that kill good products before launch. You probably think your backlog is a plan. It's not. It's a wish list with good branding. The first mistake: building for users instead of one real person with a real problem. When you design for everyone, you secretly design for no one. That's why your roadmap feels full, but your impact feels thin. Notice how often your team says the user instead of a specific name, role, and situation. If you can't picture their day, you're guessing, not building. The second mistake: treating speed as progress. Shipping fast feels productive, but it can just mean you're making the wrong thing more real. Busy teams love tickets, stand-ups, and dashboards. But none of those prove the product is actually working in the world. Ask yourself, what did we learn this week that changed our plan? If the answer is nothing, you're just decorating the same idea. The third mistake: arguing about solutions instead of testing assumptions. Long meetings feel serious, but they're often just well-organized fear. We fear being wrong, so we polish slides instead of running small, ugly experiments. The twist is this: your job is not to build features. Your job is to delete uncertainty. Here's the practical move. Pick one active project and write down its top 3 assumptions. Not tasks. Assumptions. Things like customers will pay for this, support can handle the change, or this workflow is actually faster. Then, for each assumption, design the smallest test you can run in 1 week or less. A fake door in the UI, a manual concierge version, a short pilot with one real team. If you can't find a small test, the scope is too big and the risk is hiding. Now, change one habit. In your next planning meeting, start with, what did we learn? Instead of, what will we build? Watch how the conversation shifts from output to evidence. You'll feel less busy, but more in control. To close the loop, your product doesn't fail because you're lazy. It fails because the wrong work looks like real work. When you build for one clear person, test your assumptions fast, and treat learning as the main deliverable, the noise drops, the roadmap gets lighter, and the product finally starts to move in a straight line.